close my eyes and fall right past. Turtle